How's it going? Welcome back. This is Jonathan. And for those of you who have just joined me from the Cryptocurrency Australia page, you may have noticed that I've disappeared. Now, interestingly enough, after my most recent post, which I'll chuck on the screen right now, I was banned. Now, there's been currently no explanation around this, and I don't want this to become some sort of like tearing event. It happens, and it's happened a lot to me so far, so that's totally okay. We'll create our own community, our own vibe, our own, way of looking at the markets. We don't need anyone else. But it's just a bit hypocritical because it was just only several days ago that I had Tyler Lease reach out to me. Now, I got no idea who Tyler Lease is, but apparently he's some sort of affiliate marketing manager or something like that with the Market Mentor group. And he's like, yeah, man, I've spoken to like the management and all that sort of stuff. We want to get you on board as some sort of affiliate. We want you to work with us. Well, unfortunately, I did reject his offer, and I said, I want to go into the back end and I want to actually see what this is about before I put my name against it. Because, I have my own way of doing things, my own way of viewing the world, and I don't want to put my name against something that I don't fully understand. So I said, look, let me in and I'll think about it. And I never heard back. I did send in a formal rejection letter just recently, but that's beside the point. So my last topic that I had written about in that group was about the 2022 forecast. And I had mentioned that I believe that there's a few months left of this bull run, and in a few months' time, a lot of people are going to be left holding the bag. So I'm not going to go into detail right now about that and what it is and my ideas for next year, but just know that at the moment, it's not looking very pretty with respect to the 2022 forecast for Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency market at all. Now, a lot of people are talking about the potential of a super cycle or a cycle continuing, past its standard 4-year time frame. But an amalgamation of these 4-year cycles that I've put together, which has been extremely accurate to some degree, one way or another, is signaling the end of the market very, very soon. So I want to put together a very special report on that. I haven't decided yet if it's going to be paid or free. I have been thinking about this recently, and from the light of what's happening lately, it seems like a lot of the free stuff that I've been giving out hasn't really been, beneficial in a lot of these groups. I keep getting banned, I keep getting booted, and they have their own agenda going on. So whether I do it free or paid, I haven't yet decided yet, but I might do half-half, give you at least the first half of the year for free, and then if you want to unlock it, you can pay me $10 or maybe $1,000. I don't know, I haven't decided yet. So I don't have anything else to say, but just know that you may be here from that group, and I didn't leave the group automatically. I was booted, and there's an unknown reason why. But if you stick around with me here, I will share with you the information that I want to share with you. Talk to you soon.